We already submitted the list of this. Yung original na 400 plus po, binigay po namin yan sa DILG, sa dating pangunguna ni SILG Abalos. And we know for a fact that former SILG Abalos, pinimigay na po yan sa mga LGU. In fact, nag-inspect na yung ibang mga LGUs. Unfortunately, most, I'm not saying that they are technically incompetent, but I would use the word deficient. Most of the LGUs are technically deficient. They do not know what to look for. Katulad po netong Central 1 Bataan, sinilip po ito ng gobernador mismo ng Bataan at saka ng alkalde ng Bagak. Wala ko silang nakita. Hindi dahil sa tinutulungan nila or what. Kundi wala silang makita in as much as they don't know what to look for. It takes a trained eye to see illegal activities in relation to Pogo.
And the first part of the question, sir, nasaan ang karamihan sa mga illegal na pogo na ito?
They're all over the country, but a good chunk of them are here in the southern part of Metro Manila, in the cities of Pasay, in the cities of Makati, in the cities of Parañaque and Las Piñas. May
Alright.
mangilan-ilan din po sa Quezon City and sa Manila, but the big chunk are here in Pasay, Parañaque, Makati and Las Piñas.